How to connect Google Analytics to your WordPress website. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step exactly how to do so. It is a very simple process, so let's just go ahead and get to it. So for the first step, you'll need to just go to your browser, go to Google Analytics, just go ahead and search that up, and you should be able to find it right away. So just go ahead and click on it. And then from here, you simply just want to create your analytics account. So you can just go and click on sign into analytics or get started today. So after you actually log into your account or click on get started, you simply just want to go through with the steps necessary. So click on start measuring. And this is basically going to add more details about the property that you want to create, meaning your website in WordPress, and more about yourself also. So first is going to be account details, so your account name and also the account data sharing settings. I highly recommend that, you just keep it as it is unless you know exactly what you actually want and you want to customize this further. But the way that it is right now, so the first one is off, the Google products and services, and the rest of them are turned on, is the optimal way to have it. So just keep it as it is and click on next. Now, property creation is going to be all about our WordPress, so you can just go and give it a name. Usually it's going to be the name of the website that you want to add your analytics to, but at the end of the day, it's going to be only for your reference. People are not going to be able to see it, so it's up to you. Go ahead and add your proper time zone and also your currency. Once you're happy with this, just go ahead and click on next. Now this is going to be more about your business details, so select your business size and also the industry, so we can just go for education, for example, and click on next. Next, we have the business objectives. So this is going to be really what you want to make out of the Google Analytics, really. So generate leads, drive sales, understand web, and basically your business objectives that you want. So you can just go and feel free to click on the ones that are appropriate for your website on WordPress. So finally, you just want to click on create. And now you want to click on I accept the data processing terms, and click on I accept, obviously after reading them. And now you're pretty much good to go. The only thing left for you to do is connecting Google Analytics with your WordPress website. So just go and click on choose a platform and select the platform. It's going to be web. And then you just want to add your website.com with the same format. So just make sure you add www.soon.com and also the name of your website. And you also have the option to turn on or off enhanced measurement. I really recommend that you keep it on and click on create and continue on the top right. So once you click on next, finally you're going to be in this page. So data collecting is pending and it's going to take about 48 hours before it actually starts collecting data for you. But now we want to head on over to WordPress to finalize this process and be able to even see the analytics from our WordPress dashboard instead of having to toggle between analytics and WordPress. So let's just go and go back to our WordPress website. So from this side of things, you are just going to click on plugins and click on add plugin. You simply just want to search up Site Kit by Google, and you should be able to find this one by Google. Just go and click on install now. After that, you simply just want to click on activate, and we're just going to begin with the setup process. So just go and click on start setup. And by the way, we're almost done. It's not going to take long now. Just make sure you select connect Google Analytics as part of your setup and click on sign in with Google. Okay, so unfortunately for me, I can't really continue with the process here because I am using a locally installed website, WordPress. So in your case, you're simply just going to continue with the setup. It's very simple. You're just going to find a few options to turn on about Google Analytics, nothing crazy, and you just want to finish up. Now, I need to note that the process that I showed you from this point of things within the Google Analytics is actually more than enough for you to connect your WordPress website to Google Analytics. The only thing extra that the plugin adds is more flexibility when it comes to where you can actually track these data that you get. So instead of having to go to Google Analytics, you can just go and see it from WordPress. But if you just follow through to this step, you're pretty much good to go. You can just check up down here when it comes to after 48 hours, and you're going to be able to actually find your data in here. But again, like I said, if you just go back to plugins and continue down after you sign into your Google account, just go in and check a few boxes and finish the installation. And that is just going to allow you to be able to track your data within WordPress itself instead of having to go back to Google Analytics. Hopefully this was clear to you and helpful. And this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.